The number one tip for a successful vision board: put it where you can see it every day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. Oh wow. Today I am working on my vision board, and you might be saying, it's already January 9th. Why are you doing it now? Doesn't matter. You have to wait to work on your vision board when you have visions, right? So I told you the number one tip in the opening, but there's a couple of more that you need to know because they're important and they work. Of course, the first one, put it where you can see it every day, right? It makes sense because that keeps everything right where you need to see it, right in front of your face. The second tip is to do a 3-month vision board, not a whole year vision board at one time. Why? Because you're going to change. Your circumstances may change. The world may change. And if you have one that you can change as you change and as the world changes, it's going to be a lot more accomplishable, and you're going to feel better about yourself by the end of the year. And number 3 is make your visions attainable, at least half of them that you put on your board, because each time you change it out, you'll feel better and better about yourself. You'll say, well, I can take this one off because I accomplished it and I'm so proud of myself, and I'm going to put 3 more up there, because you will grow as a person and you will be happier. So today I wanted to show you, I've laid mine out, but I'll take everything off. I just used some cardboard and covered it with some cardstock. That's all this is cardstock, and I made a pocket because sometimes on your vision boards you need pockets. See, it's just cardboard from Christmas. And what I'm putting on mine is, of course, you want your positive quotes. And I picked my favorite 3. One is, every accomplishment comes with a decision to try. One is, yesterday is gone, you can't change it. Tomorrow is undecided, so don't worry about it. Today is all that matters. Because sometimes we get so focused on where we want to be, we forget where we are. And that's a bad thing. And the last one, and if you watch any of my fitness videos, you hear this constantly. I am not a number. I'm not a size in a pair of pants. I'm not a number on a scale. I'm not a number like a year. You know, you're not going to define me by a number. I am a beautiful soul. So those are my 3 quotes, and I will put those on. Now for my for my goals, for my vision board for the first 3 months of 2021. The first one, and I don't want to hear about it. I have CRPS. I have compromised immune system. I want to get my vaccine. That is a very important one to me. I've been in my house basically since March. Not around other people except the people I live with. And yes, I want my vaccine so I can accomplish the rest of my board. The next thing I want to do is go eat at a restaurant around people that are not related to me. Outside to start with. I'm good with that. So I'm putting that one on. Now the next couple are kind of, well, this one's huge. I got a Cricut back for Mother's Day 2020, and I still don't know how to work it. So I want to learn to work my Cricut for sure. So that one's going to go there. And then a couple of major ones that I have. The next ones are major, guys. Major important. And I could use your help with these. I want to get to 300 subscribers. That's my goal for the first 3 months of 2021. 300 subscribers. I don't think that's asking too much. And then the other one is, I'd love to design some clothes for chronic pain patients. Guys, we have funky skin that if you rub it, it hurts. If you look at it, it hurts. It burns. It stings. It's really bizarre. You need that like voiceover right now. How bizarre. Yeah, it's really bizarre. So I would love to have the opportunity to work with someone to design clothes that really are for the chronic pain, chronic illness community. Okay, I wanted to mention as I'm attaching these that my favorite washi tape is this one. It's so adorable. It's from Sugar and Sloth, and it's a subscription box out of the UK, and she has the most cutest things ever. I just love her stuff. It just makes me happy, so I have to have it on my vision board. And I will actually put the link to her website below. You also get this is a coaster. You get notepads, you get pens, you get postcards. Oh, let me show you all the buttons and pens. If you watch my denim jacket, but look how cute all those pens are. And you get pens and they have enamel pens and buttons. And they're just so cute. Anyway, I love her subscription box, and this washi tape is my favorite, so it has to go on my vision board for sure. I'm putting my quotes. And I'm attaching everything with washi tape, and the reason I'm doing that is because this is a 3-month board. I'm going to be changing these out because hopefully I accomplish some of them. Hopefully. That's the goal. So I put my quotes. One more quote to put on. I've got all of my goals that I want to reach, that my vision board's about, except for one more, which I'll show you in just a second. Okay, there we go. Remember, I put this pocket on here, and what I'm going to do is I want to join the zoo when we can go. So I'm going to put that in the pocket so I remember when it comes time to start going out after I accomplish my shot. So anyway, so this is my vision board for the first 3 months of 2021. And like I said, do it this way and make some things accomplishable quickly so you can change them and go on to bigger and better, because you can do it. But if you try to overload yourself with a 12-month board, sometimes it just gets so muddled and so lost that you might not accomplish anything. And then you have anxiety and get depressed. Also remember, keep it front and center so you see it every day. If you don't see it, how are you going to be able to work towards it? So that is my vision board. I hope you enjoyed this video, and come back again and see me real soon. Take care. Bye.